Welcome to the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. Even in the summer, you will want to bring a jacket when you're taking a ride aboard the world's largest rotating gondolas. The 2.5-mile, 10-minute trip up the sheer cliffs of Chino Canyon into Mount San Jacinto State Park affords views of the Coachella Valley and the desert lake known as the Salton Sea. The Palm Springs Area Tramway is the world's largest rotating tram car. The tram cars rotate slowly, offering a spectacular vista of the valley below. Once you arrive at the mountain station, there are restaurants, a museum, and more than 50 miles of hiking trails to explore. This tram ride truly offers a one-of-a-kind perspective of Palm Springs and the surrounding area. Some of the facts of the tramway is that it first opened on September of 1963. Each rotating car can fit up to 80 passengers. Before you go up the tram car, you have to make sure that you pack accordingly. The temperature up on the mountain is traditionally about 30 to 40 degrees cooler than at the pickup station down in the desert. It may still be warm enough for your hot weather clothes, but bring a wrap or a light coat just in case. Also, just a little fair warning, the Palm Springs Area Tramway may not be the best activity for those who are wary of heights. On a windy day, the tram cars sway in the guest, which is fully designed to do, but this experience might not be for everyone. So now that we learned a bit more about the Palm Springs Area Tramway, what are you waiting for? Come and enjoy this beautiful place. You can check them out at pstramway.com. They are usually open year-round except for September due to maintenance.